Do you know many people are having trouble with inserting 4x6 photo paper in their HP printers? Don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how you do this. Let's start. Step 1. Locate and open tray. Locate tray 2 at the front of your HP printer and gently pull it out. Step 2. Adjust tray latches. Squeeze the adjustment latches and slide them to match your 4x6 photo paper. Let the guides only lightly touch the paper stack. Step 3. Insert photo paper. Arrange the 4x6 photo paper into tray 2. Make sure it's properly oriented. Step 4. Recheck paper guides. Reevaluate the paper guides. They should lightly touch the paper stack without causing it to bend. Step 5. Close and secure tray. Close tray 2, making sure it's secure. And just like that, you should now be able to load 4x6 photo paper into your HP printer in no time. Still need help? Visit our website for the complete manual. There you will also find questions and answers from other HP users. Did you find this video helpful? By subscribing, you help us continue to answer users' questions. So, subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.